Want to create beautiful mind maps from code in seconds? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use MassiveDiag on Bibcit to generate mind maps using simple code. Access MassiveDiag. First, open your browser and go to bibcit.com. On the homepage, scroll or search for MassiveDiag. Click the Create Diagram button to launch the tool. Understanding the interface. Once you're inside MassiveDiag, here's what you'll see. Left panel, a code editor for entering your mind map code. Right panel, a live preview of your mind map. Create Diagram button at the bottom to generate your diagram. Upload code option to load your TXT or MD code file. Creating your first mind map. By default, MassiveDiag loads a sample diagram in the editor. Delete the default code. Paste or write your custom mind map code. Generating mind map code with AI. You don't have to write code manually. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude. Just describe your mind map in plain English. Get ready to paste code in seconds. Choosing the right diagram type. MassiveDiag supports many diagram types. To generate a mind map, click on the Diagram Type dropdown. Select Markmap or Mindmap depending on your layout needs. Generating the mind map. Once your code and diagram type are ready, click the Create Diagram button. Your mind map will appear instantly in the preview panel. Make changes to your code anytime and click again to update the diagram. Downloading and exporting the mind map. MassiveDiag lets you export your mind map in various formats. SVG, scalable for web and vector graphics. PNG, great for presentations and images. PDF, for research papers and reports. Docx, perfect for inserting in Word documents. JSX, for developers using React. Click the Download button and choose your format, using the mind map in your document. If you're using MassiveMark on Bibcit, you can insert diagrams directly into your doc. You can also upload exported mind maps to presentations, papers, technical docs, or tutorials. Visualize ideas with mind maps. MassiveDiag lets you generate stunning mind maps from code. Use AI to speed up your workflow. Export to multiple formats for professional use. Try it today and bring your ideas to life, one mind map at a time. If this tutorial helped you, like, share, subscribe for more AI plus productivity magic.